The base of a waterfall is generally a pretty difficult spot to fish. Not only do you have the prevailing wind from the valley, but you also have the wind from the actual waterfall. So you have to make a decision in your fishing. Either you high stick it and you risk the wind wreaking havoc with your leader and blowing your natural presentation all over the place, or you place your fly in and you keep your leader down low on the water, trying to keep your fly line out. It's one of those situations where it's the devil you love. You either have to do one where you lose the ability to control your dry fly, or two, you have your leader on the water such that it might spook the fish. But either way, you got to do something in order to catch them. Right at the base of this waterfall, we're able to see some fish milling around. And whoa, airtime. This little rainbow came in and ate this perdigon. Just outside of town, you have ample opportunity to catch all kinds of great little fish. And the further out you get from lander, the bigger they get. Little perdigon in the corner of the mouth. I've had an absolutely fantastic day today catching these amazing Wyoming jewels. It's just super fun. All right, that guy's gone. Put the fly in my thumb. That's okay. Show you the rig we've got here. We've got about 6 foot of 3X leader tied to a 4X tippet. To that, we have a parachute Adams. And then on the dropper, we've got a tungsten head perdigon in orange. It's barbless, with a tiny little tail, jig head style. It's putting on a clinic on these little rainbows and brown trout today.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.